Ultra-Wideband, UWB, the technology behind pinpoint location and digital keys. Defining the ultra-precise protocol. Ultra-Wideband, UWB, is a short-range wireless communication protocol that operates through radio waves but is fundamentally different from Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. It utilizes a vast spectrum of high frequencies and transmits data using extremely short pulses, measured in nanoseconds. This method allows UWB to achieve unprecedented centimeter-level accuracy in measuring distance and determining the precise location and direction of a device. While GPS is excellent for outdoor global positioning, UWB excels at indoor positioning and spatial awareness. How UWB achieves pinpoint accuracy? UWB achieves its unique precision through a technique called time of flight, (TOF). This method involves the UWB chip on the phone measuring the exact round-trip time it takes for a signal pulse to travel between the phone and another UWB-enabled device, like a smart tag or a car. By multiplying this travel time by the speed of light, the phone can calculate the physical distance with high accuracy. Additionally, UWB uses angle of arrival (AOA) technology to accurately determine the direction of the signal in 3D space, meaning your phone knows how far away and in what direction a target object is. The security advantage of time. UWB's reliance on time measurements makes it inherently more secure than older technologies like Bluetooth or NFC, which often rely on signal strength, RSSI, to estimate distance. Signal strength is easy for attackers to intercept and amplify in a relay attack, tricking a lock into thinking a key is nearby. Because UWB measures the precise time delay, any attempt to boost the signal will only increase the measured travel time, immediately exposing the attack and preventing unauthorized access to systems like digital car keys or secure doors. Real-world applications in smartphones. The integration of UWB into flagship smartphones has unlocked several seamless, hands-free, and secure applications for consumers. One major application is enhanced item tracking. By combining UWB with companion tracking tags, like smart tags, a smartphone can use augmented reality, AR, to guide a user directly to a lost item, showing visual cues on the screen that lead to the precise location, even indoors or under a pile of laundry. Another transformative use case is the digital car key. With UWB, your smartphone can automatically and securely unlock and start your compatible car as you approach it, without ever having to take the phone out of your pocket or bag. Smart home and device interaction. UWB is set to revolutionize smart home interaction by adding spatial awareness. Imagine simply pointing your phone at a specific smart speaker or lighting fixture, and a custom control interface for that exact device instantly pops up on your screen. This effortless, directional control eliminates the guesswork and complexity of navigating menus to control individual smart devices in a crowded room. Furthermore, UWB enables faster, more intuitive file sharing between two devices simply by pointing them at each other. The future of UWB and the IoT. As UWB chips become more common across all consumer electronics, from smartwatches and laptops to appliances and industrial sensors, the potential for seamless Internet of Things, IoT, integration grows. UWB is key to creating truly intelligent environments where devices respond not just to commands, but to the user's precise physical location and intent. This could lead to automated climate control that follows you from room to room or building access that grants entry only when you are standing in a designated, secure zone, ensuring both convenience and unparalleled security.